Majeedia Girls High School and Junior College. A symphony of gratitude, celebrating Teachers' Day with our resplendent in-charge headmistress Mrs. Rafia Sultana. Today the Teachers' Day celebration in our school was a heartwarming and memorable event. The entire school campus was adorned with colorful decorations, creating an atmosphere of joy and appreciation. Students and teachers alike came together to celebrate this day, expressing their gratitude for the invaluable role of educators in their lives. Our in-charge headmistress, Mrs. Rafia Sultana, played a pivotal role in making this celebration a grand success. Mrs. Rashida Anjum and Mrs. Chaya Bante as a national in-charge meticulously planned and supervised the entire celebration. From organizing students' performances to ensuring that each teacher received a token of appreciation, their attention to detail was commendable. They actively involved students in the planning and execution of the celebration. This not only provided students with a sense of ownership but also taught them the importance of expressing gratitude. The heart of the celebration was the various performances put up by students. These included songs, speeches and poetry recitations, all dedicated to teachers. Mrs. Rafia Sultana's and Mrs. Nighat Rana's presence on stage, clapping and cheering along with everyone else, was a testament to her humble and inclusive leadership style. Refreshment cum meal was served to the teachers at the end of the program. Happy Teachers' Day to my all colleagues and thank you very much to make the event wonderful.